welcome back, guys. Today I'm gonna unbox this. This is the spring summer season 2018. It was released on March 22nd. This is the week 5. This one is the small box logo tee. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Ouch. And this is the original from Supreme. Well, you got this nice big shopping Supreme bag, gift bag. Ooh, you got 2 of this box logo stickers or decal. Normally you get only 1, but this time I got 2, so I got pretty lucky. So this is the Supreme zip lock bag. And all the original, it comes with this stickers with the barcode, color, and then the size. And give the warning to avoid danger of suffocation. Keep away from babies and children. Do not use in cribs, bed, carriages, or playpen. This bag is not a toy. Nice. So you got this patch, like a mini patch with the Supreme on there, red box logo. This one is 100% cotton, size medium. Count this tissue paper. So if you guys need to find out about this price, you can check on the link that is showing below, or toward the end of this video for the link. Alright? Anyway, hopefully you guys like this video, and then give a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, or be sure to turn on the bell for notification. Please also drop any of the comments on below, and thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace out.